friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend. Today we are going to learn very new things how to do full screen in Google Chrome. So friend, in this tutorial I will guide you two methods to do full screen. Okay, so first of all we are going to open Google Chrome. Friend, you simply click on this start button. This is my PC, Windows PC, and here I am going to do that. Simply search Google Chrome. So your Google Chrome will open. So what you will do, simply do full screen. So here I'm going to open, for example, Wikipedia. So you get the perfect idea about it, right? So friend, right now you can see this is my Wikipedia, and right now I'm going to do full screen, so you will get the perfect idea about it. So friend, what you will do, simply click on this three dot icon which is available on right hand top. So press here and then you will see this option zoom section, right? You can simply click on this last option with the full screen. When you press here, so you can see friend, this screen is converted into full screen, right? We are going to open another link, so get the perfect idea about it. So friend, right now you can see the full screen is showing in Google Chrome. If you want to remove this full screen, then what you will do, simply drag your mouse from the top, so you will get this cross button, okay, like this. You simply click here, so what happened, your full screen will gone, right? And if you want to do full screen by your keyboard shortcut, then what you will do, simply press F11 from your keyboard, right? When I press F11, then my screen is showing full screen, right? So by this way you can do full screen. If you want to remove the full screen, again press F11, so your full screen will gone. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can do full screen and remove full screen from your Google Chrome. So friend, I hope you learned something new, and if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading these app tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.